Namaste dosto. Welcome back to your favorite English learning podcast with me, your friendly dost Kalu. And me, Chaku, the one who always corrects Kalu's grammar. Haha. But today we are not correcting, we are helping. Because the topic is very interesting. Ariha. Today's hot topic is what is the best way to learn English fast? And trust me, if you're a beginner, this episode is for you. Yes. But first, a question to our listeners. Do you feel shy when speaking English? Do you forget words in the middle of the sentence? Do you wish you could speak English just like your favorite YouTuber or actor? Then you're in the right place. Because we are not just giving tips, we are giving magic tricks, stories, and real talk. Part 1. The power of daily practice, consistency over perfection. Alu, tell me honestly, how did you start learning English? अरे चाकू, मेरा इंग्लिश तो ज़ीरो था. But one day, I promised myself 10 minutes daily, no matter what. Even if I was sleepy, I watched one English video, learned 5 words, and said some simple sentences. Exactly. That's secret number 1. Daily practice. Even if it's just 10-15 minutes, it works like magic. Because the brain loves repetition. It's like watering a plant. Daily pani doj, तो plant grow karega. And guess what? I used to talk to myself in English. Like I am brushing teeth, I am making chai. Chaku thought I was mad. Haha. But that's genius. Use English in your daily life. Part 2. Stop translating. Start thinking in English. Many beginners make this mistake. They think in Hindi and then try to translate. That slows you down. Chaku. Yes. Instead, learn to think in English. Start with small things, like I am walking, the fan is on, I like mangoes, everyday thoughts, but in English. Even your phone can help. Change your mobile language to English. Use Google Assistant in English. Slowly, your brain will adjust. Part 3. Learn like a baby, mistakes are okay. Do you know how babies learn to talk? They don't wait for grammar rules. They listen, repeat, make mistakes, and slowly become fluent. So why are we so scared of mistakes? If a baby can learn without fear, so can you. Correcting mistakes is part of the process. So if you say he go to school instead of he goes, it's okay. At least you said something. That's progress. Part 4. Make learning fun and not boring. Chaku, you know I can't sit with grammar books. Bore ho jata hoon. But I love English songs, funny reels, and movies with subtitles. Perfect. Learn with things you enjoy. If you like movies, watch English ones with subtitles. If you like dancing, listen to English music and try to sing. Kalu? And one more secret, speak in front of the mirror. You'll build confidence, improve pronunciation, and become your own best friend. Also, record your voice. Listen back, improve your sentences. Slowly you'll notice you're getting better and better. Part 5. Use the 333 rule. This is my favorite technique for fast learners. I call it the 333 rule. 3 new words daily. 3 sentences using those words. 3 minutes of speaking practice. Wah wah! If you follow this for just 30 days, your English will fly high like an airplane. Part 6. Don't do it alone, join the English gang. Learning together is more powerful. Find friends or family members who also want to improve. Speak English with them, no matter how broken it is. Or join online communities, YouTube channels, or groups like ours where everyone supports and learns together. Closing motivation. Dear listeners, remember, fluency doesn't come in one day. But it definitely comes if you try every day. Kalu, don't wait for perfect grammar. Don't wait for tomorrow. Start today. Speak, listen, laugh, learn. Your English journey will become beautiful. Chaku. And we are here every week to guide you. So stay tuned and keep saying with us. Both together. Yes, I can speak English. Kalu. Bye bye, dosto. And remember, mistakes are proof that you're trying. Chaku. Bye. Keep smiling, keep learning. See you in the next episode.